ONDO is right now at this very deciding area. Will we finally see the bullish breakout, or do we consolidate even more? In this video, I will talk about the biggest real-world asset coin and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, ONDO and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So in the beginning of the year, ONDO's price rallied to the upside. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 600%. And after we reached the all-time high at $1.48, we then saw this bearish trend. We came all the way back into this last demand zone, and this demand zone was the start of this bullish push. And often in this demand zones, the chance that big players move the market to the upside is really high. And if the price comes back to this region, then the chance is high that big players want to defend their position and build more positions, so the price will then rise again to the upside. And as you can see, we also had this last low right here, and often there's much liquidity, and here we took the liquidity with this wick, retested it again, made a higher low, and now a higher high. So now we are in a bullish daily structure again, and now the chance increases that we are seeing the bullish power, but we have to break this last high to the upside. As long as we are holding this last lows and make a higher low and then a higher high, then we are seeing the bullish explosion. And if we're breaking over this one, then the chance is high that we are retesting it, and then the next very bullish price target is this last high right here at $1.05. And if we can also break this one, then of course we have the all-time high at $1.48. But what are now the next potential price targets for the bull run? ONDO is one of the biggest real-world asset coins, and this niche has a big potential. We already have a market cap of $1.1 billion, which is really much, but we also have much potential to the upside. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool for this whole swing, then we're getting this next potential price target of $2.10. And we also have this potential bull run price target of $4.65. And I think this one is very realistic. From the prices right now to this price target, we would have potential over nearly 500%, which is really amazing for a big coin like ONDO. And I also think the chances high that we could see price targets from $10 to $11, but I'm a bigger friend of making realistic price targets, making strategically good buys, and also take your profits. Because even if we are seeing the bullish run, then the chances high that we can see an 80% correction to the downside. So I want to make some profits and sell my coins in this tops. So if we are reaching this kind of price targets, I would also take some profits. And if we are seeing higher prices, I would hold some ONDO and sell it at nearly around $10 to $11 if we would reach this potential price targets. And if you are on the sideline right now, I would either wait if we are seeing another higher high and seeing the bullish confirmation and then retest this last high right here. I think this is a great chance to get into spot buys. Or if we are seeing a pullback, then I would wait if we are sweeping this last lows. And if we are seeing bullish interest, bullish price action in this area around 60 cents, then I would get into ONDO right here for spot position or long-term trades. And if you want to trade ONDO, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with one link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.